Alright guys, so check this shit out. Introducing the new daily project. I don't know why I bought this video. Picked myself up a GTR, guys. This is crazy. I've missed out on so many good deals. I missed out on a bunch of auctions, and this one popped up 30 minutes from my house, and I had to go buy it. So little scoop, this used to be almost 700 wheel horsepower car. It's got the disco potato turbos, big fuel setup, Nistune ECU, blah blah blah, you know, bolt-ons, basic stuff, full exhaust, ISC coilovers, CR Kais on it. Overall really good shape. A couple little dingers here and there. It wasn't a front end accident, so that's one thing I'm gonna have to address. I'm going to try and source a brand new front clip or just a radiator support if I can't get this one straightened out. I have headlights for it. I got a bumper. I got a hood on the way from the guy. Really nice guy. Bought it from a dude named Nick. He actually got this car when it first came to the States. Interior is like pretty damn clean. Got the little dual gauge pods right here. Sorry about the lighting. Batteries gonzo, so no interior lighting. Super clean. Headlights are in there, corner lights are in there. But yeah guys, I do have the tail light. I just pulled it out so I can look in there better. But stay tuned. I'm gonna do a little video in the next couple days while it's actually light out and not dark. I'm at a Walmart currently. But guys, I'm so excited. Hopefully we get this thing together ASAP, and gonna sell the JZX, and I think this is gonna take the place. Lexus is still here for the time being, but I guess we'll just have two awesome Japanese cars. What's going on, guys? So this is a couple days later since the last clip you saw, where I was like sitting in Walmart or something. But anyways, I got the GTR home. Lexus is outside. Still running like shit. JZX, I'm waiting on 2 O-rings so I can fix the coolant leak. That's going to be for sale because, you know. But anyways, so just to get a little bit of a better detailed description video on this GTR, since it's a bit brighter in here. Actually, let me turn on the lights. So this is a 1990 GTR. This is like one of the first supposed GTRs that was imported into Florida by Montu Motors. Talked to the guys down there the other day. They sound pretty cool. They're gonna try and get me some parts, or at least, you know, just try and help me find something. So basically, this car was in a small wreck. Supposedly, it went through a garage door into a wall. So the front core support was smoked. They put a brand new CX Racing intercooler setup on it. That's fine, you know, not too big of a deal. It's just a intercooler. As you guys can see, the upper tie bar is just smoked. This usually has another piece right here that's spot welded. They just like ripped it off. The headlight pockets are pretty well tweaked, this side and that side. There is a chance that my guy at work can fix this, but the only thing is, like, then I have to get that custom made, and then it's not going to look 100% factory, and I'm a little bit of a butthurt for like a factory GTR. There's some nastiness I want to clean up, like that. That's just like careless intercooler piping routing. So I'm going to fix all that. I'm going to get some actual boots. I want to replace this with like a, I don't know if they have like a hard pipe, but something like that. Get rid of these hideous diesel like silicone boots. Down the road, I want to get all this stuff painted or powder coated. Probably paint, just because it's pretty cheap for me to do. Manifold to probably be powder coated. I want to clean up this rat's nest right here. I want to loom up some of the wires. They had some shoddy ass, as you can see, trunk located setup, battery setup. Bunch of like coolant spillage and just like oil blow by from the last engine from the catch can being right here. I like the catch can being right there, but I feel like it's kind of cluttered right there, so I might move it somewhere else. But long story short, supposedly this engine has only 40,000 Ks on it, so about mid-20s for mileage. So it seems pretty healthy. It seems like it runs real nice. It does have ID 1000s or 1100s. I forget what he said. HKS rail, Aeromotive FPR, AM boost solenoid right there. I think it's a 3-port. Yes, I believe so. But I kind of don't like that stuff right there. But for the time being, it's going to stay right there. I want to loom up all this stuff right here. As you can see, it's just nasty. Like, it doesn't look good. I basically have to go through this thing and just kind of tidy it up, paint some stuff. I'm going to take off that plate down there, paint it up nice, clean everything up, fix the shredded can down there. And, yeah, just kind of try and make it a presentable, dailyable GTR. I do have the bumper, the headlights, the corner lights, as you can see right there. Fenders are in good shape. They're just going to need some paint because they're a bit faded. Yeah, I mean, the body itself is in pretty good shape. It's got a couple dingers back there on the corner, you can see. I kind of plan on painting this whole thing since I already have to paint the front nose. Both bumpers and the nose, I might as well just shoot the whole car. There's a couple dingers I want to get out of the roof, as you can see right there. But here's the trunk lid. Doesn't have the wing, unfortunately. I'm gonna have to source one. This side is pretty clean. The interior is actually pretty damn nice. As you can see, it's got a personal, I think it's a Nardi wheel. I'm not too sure. It's got the True Boost and the AM wideband right there. Everything on the dash works. I believe those gauges do work as well. Headlights right there, bumper, reverse lights, and stuff like that. Yeah, seats are in good shape. Back seats are out because on the way home, I had this car backwards on the trailer, and the trunk decided to pop open and overextend itself. So it bent the hinges, bent the linkage, as you can see, these guys right here. And I've been having a hell of a time trying to find some. I bent them back quite a bit, but they're still not going to be perfect. And to be honest, I just don't want to deal with it. So I want to bolt some in and be done with it. So that's +1 on a project. As you can see, it's got a fresh bumper on the rear. Got to paint that. Don't know what kind of exhaust it is. Kakimoto. It's pretty quiet, not too bad. Engine side of things, it also has GT 2860s. Twin setup, of course. These turbos made a little over 650 wheel. It was like 660 wheel on the old built long block. So they definitely have some steam left in them. It does run a Nistune ECU. So I'll be able to obviously turn it down to, I'd like to sit around 450 wheel. Another cool thing about this car is it has a center diff controller right here. By Montu Motors, the guys that that imported this car, this is actually their center diff controller. So I can do rear wheel drive and have a torque split right here. Pretty nifty. Supposedly it works, which is pretty cool. I'd like this car to be rear wheel drive, so perfect. It does have some work Kawamis on it. Love these wheels. Brakes look pretty good. It's got the Project Mu pads on them. Tires are not too bad. It does have ISC coilovers on it. I'm not sure if it has any kind of like sway bar arm, aftermarket arms. So, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much an overview. I would start it up for you guys, but I do not have a battery hooked up.